How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You absolutely read that title correctly. So back in February, my channel got monetized, which means I now make money from views and YouTube running ads. So what I decided to do, the first $1,000 that I make through Google AdSense, through YouTube by playing ads on the videos, I'm going to donate it. So I'm going to do $500 to a local nonprofit organization that I'm very familiar with, and I'm going to donate the other $500 to another out-of-state nonprofit organization that I've also been dealing with. So my goal for you guys is to share this video, because by getting the views, that's how you get paid. And what I'm going to do is all the money made off of this video will continue to be donated. I'll let it build up to it's a good amount, and I'm going to send it off. I will write the checks, I will hand deliver them if I need to, and it will get done. So the big goal here, share the video. When I get a view, then the money comes in, then I can donate it. My goal is to get this thing to be a huge video, spread all over the place, good amounts of money coming in so I can keep doing the donations, to keep these nonprofits going, keep them with the supplies they need to do what they need to do. And if it gets really big, start adding more. Now I don't need you to send me a list of places, because I know there's thousands of them across the world, hundreds of thousands of them. The ones that I've decided, I have visited, I've done my research on them, but the two that I've picked out now are super great organizations, and I can't wait to share those videos and updates with how it's going with the donations. What I need you to do is make sure you share this video. Also, if you want to stay in touch with how things are going, make sure you subscribe. I'll put links down below to my Facebook page. I'll put a link down below to my Instagram page, and I will always post updates on what's going on with the donations. This is something that myself and my family, we've kind of decided that this was just a perfect opportunity to take what we have and help other people. So I'm really excited for this. I really hope it works out well. So all that I ask is for you to share this video, because every view I get will be money put towards a good donation. Also, if you're into Jeeps, off-roading, cars, mechanic stuff, check out some of my other videos. But what I'm going to do is, for this video, I'm going to make a separate playlist. It's going to be called the donation playlist. So at any given time, if you want to come back, if you're not into some of my other content, that's fine. But if you always want to see how the donations are going, I'll put a little donation playlist in my catalog of videos, and you're always welcome to come back and check in on it. We're very close to reaching that first $1,000. With your help, I know we can get there, and then we can push forward and continue on. This is my opportunity to use the platform that I have to really help out. And I want to get people out in their garages, working on their cars, working on their trucks, whatever projects they got, give them the push to do that. But in return, I also want to help out these other organizations. So I'm really excited for this, because this is kind of where it all started, was right here in my garage. And it's really taken off, and it's working out well, and I'm really excited about it. But what I can say for right now is, as always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next video.